So they have give us a trapezium there, and it says a trapezium with height, which is represented by the letter H, has an area of x squared cm squared. So they give us the area, but in the letter form, which means it's written in an algebraic way, right? Um, the next thing that they are saying is, well, the height of the trapezium expressed in terms of x. Okay, so they want us to find the height of the trapezium, but written with the letter x in it. So we are not actually going to find the final number or the final heights, but just an expression or something that has x in it. But based on what they're showing us, they want us to choose it with h, which is height is equal to one of those. So let's let's see how that goes. So the first thing is the formula for the area of a trapezium. Now I think people who on Monday night when I was on, I think we did was it Monday night? I can't remember, but some class I had recently where I was going through the trapezium formula. So if you don't know it or can't remember it, the formula for area of a trapezium, I put in it like this is equal to a half um A at B, which is the parallel sides, by the height. So that's the formula for area of a um trapezium. The next thing is mm, yeah, the next thing is we're gonna fill in whatever we know, right? So A and B are the parallel sides. So these two are parallel. Sometimes they may draw a trapezium this way, and then the parallel sides will be these. So the two straight sides that are not slant are always the parallel sides. And it doesn't matter which one you put as A or B because you have to add them. So I would put this one as, should I put that one as A? Okay, it don't really matter, but I'll put this one as A, put this one as B. Right? So replacing that information, we have A is X, take away 4, add B, what am I writing B? Add B, which is 2, and then we have the height. They want us to, we have to transpose, right? So we could put in the answer for the area of the trapezium, which happens to be x squared. Okay. Um, so moving on, we have a half. We could simplify this because they are numbers. So -4 add 2 is -2 because 4 is bigger. So when we take it away, the sign is in front of a bigger number. Will be your answer, right? Now, naturally speaking, if you talk about a number line, -4 is more than 2. But when you trying to figure out which sign to put in front of a number, you look at the number by itself. Which number is naturally bigger without the plus or the minus sign thing. Or you look at it from the positive integers, as some people would say. So yes, we still have the x and then this reduced to -2, and we have each. Well, the only thing looking kind of like this is A and B. Thus far, we're not finished yet, but we still have to transpose this stuff. The others, not too certain. They're looking very weird. But what do we do next? We have to transpose. And you all need to know that this is being multiplied and this is being multiplied. So what some smart people will do, Anything that's being multiplied that you need to move, you could sandwich it. Um, yeah, you could sandwich it if you want, or you could move them a single. So I'll do it single, right? I'll do it single. So since a half is being multiplied by what's in the brackets, and also the brackets is being multiplied by what's multiplied by the height. I'll start by moving the half first. It's easier to move a number first that's being multiplied. This other thing has a number and a term, so I'll leave that last to move. So I'll divide both sides by a half. So I write back the, so hold on, I write back the x squared, put a half, and then I'm going to divide. So I write it like this, so it won't look complicated. Dividing both sides by a half. This will cancel. We don't even have to work on that part, which will leave us with x minus 2 in brackets by the height. On the other side, we need to work that out. So we're in here to work it out. Okay, now with this stuff, I don't know why 1 minute it doesn't want to come off. Hmm. Here we go with that. And so I was just trying to take off. And so we'll try that again. I was trying to take off this, but nothing want to come off. Okay, that coming off, but the stuff I want to come off, not coming off. I never see more. Okay. Um, Here's what I'll do. I'll temporarily block this off, so I will get out over here. I'll create a just now. When we need to probably look back at the diagram. So a half divided by x squared, right? Which can be written as x squared over 1. To do a division, you take the first fraction, you leave it as it is. You have to turn or change the division to multiplication, and then you have to flip the second fraction. So that will become 1 over x squared. And then to simplify this, to simplify this, um, I'm getting 1 over 2 by x squared is 2x squared. That's all. Getting over here, strange enough. Okay, it's kind of looking like B. Well, let's see if it's actually going to be B.